What's the deal? I'm back at it again with another C5 video. So I haven't been driving this car in about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks or so, or since the last video that I uploaded with this car being actually in the video. So this car actually been in Long Beach. I had a couple of issues. My bracket pulley broke. I ordered one already, a new one, the ICT bracket. So I should have that in the mail in a couple of days. But as you guys see, this is how it sits. It's dirty right now. I haven't cleaned it up since I purchased it on a good trade. But today I got a little upgrade on it. Got a new hood coming in. So this is the hood that I got now. I found it on OfferUp. Got a good deal. Can't beat it. $200. And boom, we got reality hit. As you see, it's used condition. But it's just like the hood that's on this website, Driven by Style. So if you guys are interested in that, here's a website that is actually selling it. I can't tell you the reviews or nothing. I'm not going to. I'm not interested in buying it from this website, but I couldn't pass up this deal. So as you see, it's dirty. It's been sitting up in the corner for about a week or two, and we're gonna go ahead and install this on the Corvette today. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Since this is my first C5, and I definitely got some aftermarket parts on the way. I'm excited to show you guys as it comes. But I'm gonna reverse the camera so you guys can see this car the last time it is that it'll be on my page. I'm not sure if you ever seen a C5 with this hood on it, but I personally have not, especially being a convertible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the car, detail it, make it look a little nice. I got my brother here. He's supposed to help me, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it on my own. I'm gonna go ahead and detail the car, wash it up, get some armor on them tires, vacuum it up, and then we can go ahead and swap the hood over. So stay tuned. I have to zoom in so you guys can actually see the dust on this motherfucker. So it is actually dirty though. Hasn't been cleaned in some time. Like I said, it's been sitting because the pulley bracket broke, but it is definitely dirty. Let's go ahead. Last little walk around before it's cleaned up with the new hood. It's dirty. So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, but show you what it look like in the inside right now before it get its makeover. These used to be for sale soon after I find another set, but it's pretty dirty. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm glad it's a two-door. It ain't too much I gotta really worry about, but as you guys see it, I got the hole in the top. Yeah, so we about to do the remix real quick. First step, you know how I go. Turn that water on. Second step, you already know what we need. We need them towels. You already know. When I'm washing, I'm getting to the point, to the T. You already know, need my towels for this thing. Got this water running. Boom. I need that soap. Can I get that soap? Where the soap at? Bing bong. Bing bong. You better get right to the greedy eaty. Right to the greedy eaty. Look, since I don't got a cameraman, I'm doing shit by myself, so. Step 2, that 3D soap. Let's see that pour. That's step 2. Step 2. Go Go ahead and throw this on the hood. Let's go ahead and get a little water on that. You see the soap dripping. That's how you know she activated. You gotta love her soft. You feel me? You gotta love your car when you clean her. Yeah, I know y'all see this. You gotta love it. You know, I actually want my car to be clean, so as you see, I still got this vinyl 3D wrap. I'll get that off soon. But as for this hood, I ain't gonna really have to worry about it. Now we're on the other side of the car, doing the same process over. Like I said, if you don't love your car enough to clean it, you don't love yourself to clean yourself. Nah, I'm playing, but I actually love taking my time to clean it. I'd rather not even go to no car wash. Nothing like washing something that you own, got the pink slip to. Something that somebody can't just take from you. But you almost done. But let me go ahead. I'll go ahead and continue the video. Once I get the rest of the soap on there, I'll rinse it off. Show you guys what we working with. I know y'all seeing a difference. Boy, look. Hand soap. Not hand soap, I'm joking with you. 3D soap, but hand wash. Yeah. Still got the soap on it. We getting somewhere. But check out the other side though. Haven't touched it. How dull it looking. But we about to get it right though. Look at this one. We about to get it right though. We about to get it right though. Now we just dry her up. Dry this thing up. I know you see the wheels busting. Yeah, them things busting right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish drying her up. Show you guys how she look. Dry it up. Be back. Like you don't wanna like go back and forth like this. Look, boom, and she all she wrote. Cleaned up from the outside. Did all 4 tires with the armor all bust down, shiny. No dirt on her. Now y'all see them things shining. Yay. Them things shining. And we can go ahead and throw that hood on. So let me get my little make my brother. Go ahead and put some on the window right here. Be right back. So what I'm gonna need is a flathead screwdriver for the strut to take off the clip for it. Also, we're gonna need a 10 milliliter and a 13. I'll pass the flathead to my brother. You can also take off the other side clip. Then pull the strut out. Boom. Yeah, just like that.
I think I dropped your whistle there.
It's good. We'll get it when we're done. Then we need the 10 mil. We need the 13s. I believe we need 13. We got 2 bolts on each side. Lower it real quick. Good one. Let y'all see this the other way around. Yeah, low-key look good like that. But now we about to go ahead and put this one on. In order for this to work, I need a 10 millimeter. End up putting these latches on this hood right here. I wish I can actually put the light over, but it's not going to be able to work, so I'll go ahead and put these over there. Then we're going to go ahead and install it over there. So fortunately, since it's the aftermarket hood, the fitment was 100% the greatest. But in the next video, I will go into detail on how it didn't fit so great and why I wouldn't recommend this hood. Or I may just go ahead and try to make it fit, do a little customization to get it right. So thank you, subscribe, appreciate it.